Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you this custom MOC taxi I'm going to review, and it's pretty cool. I've made a video telling the difference between soft wheels and large wheels, like smooth wheels and big wheels, and this car has smooth wheels, which means it's meant for driving on tiles and those road base plates. And also, this is in the style of a Legoland vehicle, and it's in the color of Lego taxis, so yellow and green, which is pretty cool. The thing that Lego taxis somehow are missing are these things on top that show whether the taxi is vacant or not. That's something that Lego has always missed, so I'm adding that into my taxi. And also it has glass at the front, back, and also we have the front, which has lights on it, and the back also has lights on it, which is pretty cool. And then what happened was 3 of these wheels kept on falling off, so I had to replace them with the newer Lego wheels, which is why there's one odd wheel back here, because the other wheels kept on falling off, and that's how I got here. I also had to go through several iterations of modifying and fixing this to make it look as realistic as possible. And I guess that's really it for this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time.